are you confident that there is enough material at hand, enough evidence at hand, enough leads available for the CBI to be able to close this case meaningfully, or will this just be a lot of fog and a lot of noise and no firm conclusion at the end of it all?
I was coming to that. You know, another bad thing which has happened in this is over interest of media in this case. You know, the media, some of the channels have gone examining various people's, flashing call records on the this thing, talking about postmortem report. You know, all this, and more than 60 days are over when Sushant Singh Rajput passed away. A lot of evidence would have suffered irretrievable damage. And, you know, there will be questions raised on the integrity, on the veracity of the evidence which will now be collected, because, you know, I think media has done a big damage to the investigation, and CBI will find it extremely difficult to tackle this case. It's not an easy task. And let me also say another thing. CBI officers are nothing superior police officers. They are also from state police, taken on deputation. So at the end of the day, they come from the same milieu, same set of officers, that they work in CBI and some work in state police. But the thing which we have to take into account is, if Bombay police was not doing its job properly, it was extremely necessary to hold them accountable. If you don't hold state police, or for that matter, even CBI accountable for lapses, then what is going to happen? People will lose faith in local police.
Sure.
Who is your first respondent? It is the local police.
Okay.
Now, every case cannot be taken up by CBI for investigation.
Sure.
So the faith in
Ashok
local police
Pandit,
must be restored.
this is a case that's shaken Bollywood at its core. Now that the CBI has taken over, are you confident, sir, that there will be resolution? We will know finally the circumstances under which Sushant died and what led to that death, or who killed him, if at all?
Rahul, at the outset, let me congratulate you and the entire media for standing up with the family and getting justice and getting the case shifted to CBI. Bollywood, per se, he was part of the industry, and we are all very sad about his death. We have lost a great actor and a great human being. There is no 2 points about that. See, a lot of your panelists today raised one issue, in which I also support, is that the Mumbai police started with a circus of calling all those people and diverting the minds of people towards business gone wrong. If I have signed Sushant Singh Rajput for three films, Yash Raj has signed, and out of 3 films I have not done 2 films, that's why he's committed a suicide. Sanjay Leela Bhansali signed him, Karan Johar. So entire thing was diverted to a circus, and they diverted the mind. And simple thing, why has the entire nation, why has the entire country stood up to support Sushant Singh? There has to be some reason, because I lost faith in this investigating agency, the police, because mazak chal raha tha. It was joke. Things are not coming on the right perspective. How can a police commissioner of Mumbai not respond to the DGP of Patna? That means you're trying to hide something. You have started on a very negative note. You're in denial mode. You're refusing people's call. In fact, the investigating agencies here, where I totally disagree to what Mr. Vasant said. It is a 4th pillar who has given justice to the family, and you have full right to do that. If the investigating agencies are not taking up the right thing and they're trying to hide so many things, it is the duty of the media to raise questions, and that is what media has done. Otherwise, and there is some problem, and that's why the Supreme Court has given the case to CBI. The entire country, the entire nation, who doesn't even know Sushant Singh Rajput, who doesn't even know the family, who have not met them even once, they have raised their voice in one voice, the CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. Why? There has to be some confidence which has not been given by the Mumbai police, unfortunately, because Mumbai police is one of the finest police, which means the system has controlled. The system has controlled the Mumbai police and not allowed to do their duty the way they normally do.
Okay, Kanika Sadanand, you know, Riya Chakravarti was the first person who said that let there be a CBI probe when she reached out through Instagram to the Home Minister Amit Shah. Now we're seeing the family's lawyer ask for her arrest. What's your sense of how Riya Chakravarti will take this Supreme Court judgment now that there will be a CBI probe and the radar and the lens will be trained on her?
So, Rahul, first of all, when you started the debate, you said I'm on Riya Chakravarti's side. No, I'm on nobody's side. I'm on the side of justice, and I think Sushant Singh Rajput should be given justice. Ashok Pandit says that the media gave justice to Sushant Singh. No, they have just helped so that the CBI inquiry to be given to, that the inquiry to be given to the CBI. Justice is still not done. I'm going to tell you that yes, Riya has said that she has accepted the verdict. Even the CM of Maharashtra has said that they have accepted the order and they're going to cooperate with the police. But the point over here, what Mr. Vasan said, I am absolutely in agreement of what Mr. Vasan said. This media trial, and not your channel, and there was another channel which was very respectfully doing the reporting, but these sting operations, this media trial, this TRP race, this agenda, this politicization was very wrong. And it's been 66 days. If Bihar police wanted to come into this, or if they wanted really justice, they should have filed an FIR earlier. 66 days now, I doubt whether they will get any kind of evidence or any incriminating.
Well, the Mumbai police didn't file an FIR either.